Hello friends, in this video we will explore the possibilities of Python in Power BI. We will see how to integrate Python in Power BI so as to develop great visualizations. Python is gaining popularity among data analysts, data scientists, so we will see how it can be integrated in Power BI. Power BI Desktop provides a powerful tool for creating reports and visualizations, and you can publish those reports and visualizations in Power BI service. One of the most valuable feature of Power BI Desktop is its ability to integrate with Python. You can use Python to import and transform data as well, and you can create visualizations on top of that. You can also import pre-built Python based visualizations onto the desktop. We'll see how to work with Python in Power BI Desktop, and we'll explore much on the programming power of Python. Python has extensive capability to analyze, transform and visualize data. Let's see what is Python. Python is an open source, interpreted, general purpose, high level programming language which is easy to learn, and its syntax is easy and code is very much readable. Any medium level programmer can pick up language very easily. And IT professionals who are looking to start their career in programming, for them Python is a great choice. Python is an open source software, which means that it is freely available and publicly accessible. It is general purpose language, which means it has a lot of applications. Python is used in web development, it is used in mobile development, and nowadays it is gaining popularity among data scientists. It's high level programming language, which means the syntax is very much human readable. Python is also called as interpreted programming language, means it directly executes instructions written in a programming language without previously converting them to an object code. Now we will see the prerequisites to run Python in Power BI. To run Python script in Power BI, you need to have Python in your system. This can be done by installing Anaconda, which is a distribution of Python. It includes not only Python but many libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and you can also create virtual environments with the help of Anaconda. So Pandas and Matplotlib libraries are very important for data analysis, and then you need to have Power BI Desktop in your machine. Okay, now let's start with a demo. Click on File, and here click on Options and Settings. Click on Options. Click on Python Scripting. Here you can see detected Python home directories. Now you need to point it to the directory where your Python environment is residing. So since I have already pointed to the directory where Python is there, Python is installed. If you open it for the first time, this will automatically point to the place where your Python is installed. And here, this is the IDE. And here, you need to select an external Python development environment. So in my case, I'll use Visual Studio Code. But there are a number of other IDEs to run Python codes like Jupyter and PyCharm. So here, since I'm comfortable with Visual Studio, I have selected this. Click on OK. Now we'll click on Get Data, click on More. Other, and select Python script. So first I'll use a script which is already having a data. So I'll just copy the script and paste it here, and we'll see how the script is converted to data frame, and then we'll use that data frame to generate reports or visualizations. So this is the script which has some data, and then a data frame is generated here. Click on OK. In order to validate the script, I have the script open in Visual Studio Code. So this is the script, and if I want to run this script, I just enter Python and name of the file. So this is the data frame. Now we'll see the data frame here. Select the data frame, and this is the data. Click on load. You can see the data is loaded here. Now click on Python Visual, enable the visual, and you need to drop the values, drop the fields here. So I'll use age and salary. Here you can see the data set is created, which is pandas.dataframe. Now here I'll just write Python code to generate a plot. So this is the script, and this script will generate a plot, a scattered plot, and let's see how it looks like. So this is the scattered plot. This is not looking good since the data is getting aggregated here. The column containing measure is getting aggregated. Now we'll uncheck that aggregated option, and we'll select don't summarize option. This is a plot which is generated with the help of Python code. Now we'll see how to import data by the help of Python script. I have a CSV file in my machine, and now we'll import the CSV file. Let's see how we can do that. We'll create a new report. Here we click on get data, more, other, Python script. The CSV file containing some data is residing in my machine. Now we'll import. Click on OK. You can see the data frame. Now these are the columns in the data frame. Click on load. A data frame is like a table. It's a two-dimensional object containing rows and columns. Now we'll click on Python Visual, enable. In order to get some visual, I need to have some fields here. So in this visual, we'll use and revenue. Here. Now this will generate a bar chart with the help of Python script, and if we run this, here I'll apply filter. I'll apply filter on some industry types. Since there are many industry types, In the x-axis, I'll apply the filter in order to reduce the number of industry types in x-axis. You can also see there are many bars here, so we'll try to summarize the data. I have summarized this field and this is producing some logical output. This is the total revenue of this industry. So this is the way we can use Python scripting in order to generate some plots. These are very basic plots or basic charts, visualizations which we are using. We can generate many complex visuals with the help of Python script in Power BI. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.